Welcome to Learn Programming Skills, and this particular video I want to share with you some 5 commands which you should have on your fingertips and utilize them whenever you are working within the command prompt window. Now when you look on my desktop, I have these icons and you can see that I have these directories available, and these directories are located on the desktop directory. And when you come back to my command prompt, I have this line of path and the desktop is the current location. Now if I want to access these directories in this desktop location, then I'm going to type dir, and this is going to display all the elements on the desktop, and those that are directories have dir in front of them. And as you can see, so we have the Monday, we have Friday, we have Saturday, Sunday, Thursday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Now the first command I want to show you in this particular video is to orderly rearrange your directories. So we are going to use a command which is dir. Then you hit the space bar and type the / symbol. Then you type od. Now this command implicates that all the directories that we have in this desktop location should be orderly arranged or organized. So when I hit the enter key, now you can see that I have these directories available, and this has rearranged all the directories that we have. So we have Monday, we have Wednesday, Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday, and when you compare these directories to this previous directories or view that we have here, this was disorganized. Now this command prompt has, based on this command that I keyed into this window, and arrange all these elements based on date or time or item type, size of the elements we have on this location. So this command dirod rearrange your elements in a specific location. Now the next command I want to show you is, when you look on the desktop, we have these names for these directories. And how can you have 2 names for a particular directory? This is also a different way of creating this directory, and to do this we use the same command. Now to have 2 names for one particular directory, you place these names in a quotation mark. So I'm going to open my quotation mark. Then you type the name that you want to have for your folder. So you make sure that the name that you want to have for a particular folder should be in the quotation mark. Now when I hit the enter key and move back to my desktop, you can see that I have this folder created with these 2 words or 2 names given to this folder. So this is how to create a folder with 2 names or 2 words. So this is the second command I want to show you. The next one is how to delete a directory. So we are going to use a command which is rmdir, and this command stands for remove directory. So when you hit the space bar, you type the names of the directories that you want to remove or delete from its original location. Now I have typed these names, and when I hit the enter key and move back to my desktop, you can see that the names that we typed in this window has been deleted from the desktop. So this is also a command you can use to delete directories. The next one I want to show you is how to print out a notepad text or create a notepad text in command prompt window, and we are going to use a command which is the echo command. So we are going to type echo, then you type the text you want to have or display within the notepad window. Now after typing the echo and also the text you want to print out or display within your notepad window, we are going to give a file name, and to do this you type the greater than symbol, then you type the name, and the next thing is typing the name that you want to have for your file name or your notepad file name. Then you bring the full stop and make sure to type the extension, and the extension for the notepad is txt. Then after doing so, you hit the enter key. Now when you move to your desktop, you can see that we have created this file here, and when I double click on it, this opens the notepad window, and we have this text that we typed in the command prompt window, and this is very interesting. So if you have full control of your command prompt, you can use to perform different tasks which are basic and also advanced. So this is how to print out a text or create a notepad text within the command prompt. You can also open the file within the command prompt by typing the name and also the extension. So you can see that I have typed the name and also the extension of this file name, and when I hit the enter key, this opens this notepad with this file name on the title bar, and this is the content that we typed in the command prompt window. So this is the fourth command I want to showcase to you in this particular video. The last command is to type the help command, and after typing the help command, you press the enter key on the keyboard, and this is going to display a lot of commands you can use in command prompt window. So you can see that I have the assoc command, I have the attrib command, the break command. So these are all the commands that are available in the command prompt window. So anytime you want to get access or you have a flash out of any of this command and you want to easily remember, just open the command prompt and type help, and when you hit the enter key, this is going to give you all the command line tools or options we have in CMD window.